Hello everyone! Welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. First of all, thank you so much to everyone who watches my videos. Thank you for your comments, your questions, and for all the ideas you send me. Honestly, a lot of my videos are inspired by your suggestions, so I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm not really a blogger in the traditional sense. I don't film daily vlogs or lifestyle content. First and foremost, I'm a trader. I test different trading tools, explore new features, and share my real experience using them. Whenever I find something interesting, I simply show it to you. Right now, I'm using VFX Alert signals together with a desktop application. I often get questions about how to install it or where to download it. If you ever have any problems setting it up, feel free to leave me a comment, or you can contact the VFX Alert support team through their official website. They're usually very helpful and can guide you through the installation process. Today's video is actually inspired by one of my subscribers. They asked me how AutoTrade works. Since I've been getting this question quite often lately, I thought it would be much easier to make a video and show everything step by step. So here's how it works. I downloaded the VFX Alert desktop application from the official website, installed it on my computer, connected everything, and configured my settings. Let me show you. Here are my current settings. They're actually pretty simple, nothing too complicated. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've probably seen them before because I've shown them in several previous videos. So if you'd like a more detailed explanation, feel free to check those out as well. Once everything is configured, all I have to do is enable AutoTrade. And this is where the interesting part begins. The software starts opening trades automatically based on the settings I've selected. At this point, I don't have to click anything or manually open positions. Everything happens automatically. Let's watch it together. As you can see, several trades have already been opened. To keep this video short and avoid making you sit through 30 minutes of statistics, which, let's be honest, happens quite often on YouTube, I'm going to disable AutoTrade now. No new trades will be opened, but the ones that are already active will continue until they close. Now all we have to do is wait. Usually during this part, I just sit back and watch the screen. I'm not doing anything else. I'm simply waiting for the trades to finish. Let's see how they close. There we go. The trades are starting to close. Now let's open the signal history and check the results. As you can see, we had 5 trades. 4 of them closed in profit and only 1 ended in a loss. While we're here, I also want to mention another feature that people ask me about quite often. VFX Alert AutoTrade includes a Martingale strategy. If you're not familiar with Martingale, here's a simple explanation. When a trade closes at a loss, the system can automatically open another trade with a larger position size, usually doubling the previous amount. The idea is that if the next trade wins, it can recover the previous loss and still generate a profit. However, there's something very important I want to emphasize. Personally, I do not recommend using AutoTrade with large position sizes. Even if the strategy seems to be performing well, it's always much safer to start with the minimum trade amount. Why? Because while AutoTrade is running, you're not actively making trading decisions. The software is opening trades automatically, and trading always involves risk. That's why I strongly recommend testing any strategy on a demo account first. Take your time to see how it performs. Make sure you're comfortable with it. Only after that should you consider moving to a live account. And even then, start with small trade sizes. There's absolutely no reason to risk a large deposit right away. In my opinion, it's much better to make smaller profits while protecting your capital than to chase quick gains and lose your account in just a few minutes. Always remember that trading is a high-risk activity. No one can guarantee 100% winning signals. That's why proper risk management and trading discipline are much more important than trying to make money as quickly as possible. If you still have questions after watching this video, I recommend visiting the official VFX Alert website. I'll leave the link in the description below. One feature I really like is the signal history section. You'll find it near the bottom of the website, and it's available for everyone to access. You can open it anytime and review all the signals for the current day, see how many were profitable, and analyze the overall performance yourself. I really like the fact that this information is completely transparent. Anyone can check the statistics and make their own conclusions. And honestly, I think that's the right approach. VFX Alert has never claimed that its signals are 100% accurate. Signals are simply another trading tool designed to help traders make better decisions. At the end of the day, every trade is still your own responsibility. So my friends, please approach trading seriously. Don't rush. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Learn, test different strategies, manage your risk properly, and never trade money that you can't afford to lose. Before I finish, I'd like to thank every single one of you once again. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments and questions. Your feedback is what keeps this channel growing and gives me ideas for new content. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Feel free to leave a comment below. Share your experience with AutoTrade, ask any questions you have, or simply say hello. I read almost every comment. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. There are plenty more tests, tutorials, feature reviews, and real trading examples coming soon. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.